Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. Thank you so much for being with me. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, I got a good one for you guys. We're going to compare the new Kylie Cosmetics reformulated products. So I'm going to compare the old Kylie and the new Kylie Cosmetic products. Simple as that. I didn't get the bronzer, so if you're here for the bronzer, I don't have that. They didn't have almond anymore. It was out of stock. I didn't want to buy it from Selfridge. They do have it in stock, but it's $5 more. We're going to compare the lip liners, the lipsticks, the blush, the highlighter. So I already did my face and eyebrows. Oh, I also don't have the eyebrows from Kylie Cosmetics. I just never had interest ordering Kylie Cosmetic brows. I find them out of my price range when it comes to brows. I don't care for them. First, I really like this Kylie Cosmetics. This one is the old one. This is a blush. It's called Close to Perfect. This is my favorite blush from Kylie Cosmetics, the old formula. This is the old one. This is the new one. It is kind of a square now. This is Close to Perfect. This is the new Kylie. Now it's matte. It used to be gloss. I don't know. I kind of like this compact. It's slimmer. Storage wise, I like this one. All right, so inside, ta-da. So now there is a Kylie printed on the mirror, and this is the plastic cover. This is the color. This one is the old one. Let's compare them. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the old formula on this side and I'm going to use the new formula at this side. All right, I got two Real Techniques old formula at this side, so we're gonna do that first. I'm just blending it. I like putting blush right here and then going upwards. Also closer to my eyes. I find it very youthful. All right, next I'm going to use the new formula on this side. Okay, there is more fallout on this side, but it's not that bad. I don't mind fallout. Hold on. I see difference. So definitely this one is a little bit powdery than the old formula, and there is a blurring effect. The old formula blended so well, but the new formula didn't blend with the bronzer that I had on my face. I actually prefer the old one, which is weird. I don't know if you guys can see. So this one is the old formula and this one is the new formula. I feel like the new formula plumped my cheeks. Does look good on the camera. Yeah, it does have a blurring effect. Okay, I see now. I actually prefer the new one. It has a blurring effect and my skin looks really good. I don't know what they put in the new formula, but it looks good. It's just that the old formula blends so naturally, easily. The new formula looks good. It actually looks good. Oh wow, it's totally different formulas. Okay, I'm gonna spray first. Now we're gonna go with the highlighter. For my highlighter, my favorite highlighter from the old formula is Cotton Candy Dream. It has been my favorite. It looks like this. It is a pink gold shift. I like it because it's very youthful when I use it and it has that nice glow. It's not overly highlighted, but it gives you that nice glow. The new formula is this. Side by side. This is the new formula and this one is the old formula. Again, I think the new formula is more powdery. The old formula is packed. I can see a lot of difference. The new formula looks like more pigmented than the old formula. The new formula is lighter than the old formula. The old formula first, this side. It looks good, right? It looks natural, not overly highlighted. That's why I like this one so much, the Cotton Candy Dream. Okay, and the new one. Wow. Okay, for the highlighter, I actually prefer the old formula. No doubt. It blended better. It's not shimmery. It was just like nicely blended and looks more natural. This one has a gray cast. When I move, I can see it. Like I can tell that I'm using highlighter, but this one is just like more natural. It's just like that shine. This one is more glittery, and also it emphasized my texture right here on my cheeks. I like the old formula better. And also this one is buildable. You can build it and it never creates that gray cast. Like when you turn, it's just naturally highlighted. All right, next, I think a lot of you are for this one, the lip kits. So I have the matte lip kit. This one is in Kylie, color Kylie. I have the lip liner Kylie and the matte lipstick Kylie. I ordered the new Kylie matte lip kit. This is the new box. This is the new packaging compared to the old one. The old one is black. The new one is pink, just like her Valentine's packaging. First, I'm going to use the lip liner. I am going to use it half. This is the old one and the new one. So just like what we did with the blush and the highlighter, I'm gonna bring you guys closer. This is the lip liner. This one is the old formula. I'm going to use the new formula now. Okay guys, big difference with the color. Very creamy and very lightweight. I feel like this one is heavier. The new Kylie lip liner is lighter than the old one. And I think like this one is pinkier. Okay, so the new one is a little bit stickier, but it doesn't transfer. It's basically like matte lipstick. I can just use this lip liner by itself because it's really good. It's really good. I just wish that it had the same color with the old one because I like the old one better color-wise. Formula-wise, the new one is so much better. It's lighter and transfer proof. Next, we're going to compare the liquid lip. This one is the old. Next is the new formula. Packaging is so much better now. The duffel applicator is also new. It has this hugging effect for the lips. Look at that. Honestly, it looks the same. So these are the new formula and these two are the old formula. They look exactly the same, but the new formula is so much better. Show you guys close up. This is the old formula and the new formula. If you guys are wondering if the new formula is non-drying, it's still drying. That note, I am waiting for my favorite formula from Kylie Cosmetics, which is Velvet Formula. Aside from the Kylie shade, I also got Ginger, Dolce, and Kristen singles, because they didn't have the lip kit. It's either they don't sell it for lip kit or they're out of stock. I'm gonna show you guys those colors. I'm just gonna show you guys this one, Nude Matte. I noticed that her nude eyeliner is pinkish. You know, the normal nude eyeliners are beige, like this color, but she released something new like pink. And I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I got it. It must be really brightening under the eye. So I'm gonna try that now and see if it doesn't transfer on top of my eyes. Sometimes they mix if I put eyeliner on top and then you have light eyeliner underneath. They mix together and they become grayish. If that doesn't happen, if this stay put, it's a good eyeliner. Okay, there we go. I love the color. The color is very unique. It's nudish pink rather than nudish beige. It's very pretty and very brightening. Nice. I like that. The lip liners are my favorite product for this new Kylie Cosmetics. The blush is also so pretty. It has a very nice blurring effect. That's really pretty, and it didn't emphasize any of my texture. The highlighter, I like the old formula. This new formula exaggerated my texture, and I don't like that. The eyeliner is actually pretty good. The lip liner and the eyeliner feels like the same formula, and they are not budging at all. Like, wow, what's going on? Like, that's a good eyeliner. I want that. Then liquid matte lipsticks, they're still drying, but they are upgraded. They're creamier. They glide smoothly like butter. The packaging is so much better than the old Kylie. It's lightweight. It's weird because I kind of like the old formula, honestly. It's still drying. It's a matte lipstick. Let's be honest. I don't think any matte lipstick is not. No, that's not true. I am waiting. I'm really waiting for the velvet formula. I hope they come out with a velvet formula. I would be mad if they don't because it's my favorite. The lip liners, eyeliners, and blushes, highly recommend them. All right, so that's it. After this outro, I am going to show you guys the swatches on my lips for the other liquid lipsticks. So this is the end of my video. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching and being with me. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, please. And also hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Ta-ta. Enjoy the swatches. I think it's less drying if you just use the liquid lip rather than having the lip liner and the liquid lip. It's just that I love the lip liner because it's transfer proof. But by itself, the liquid lipsticks are really good. I just noticed that liquid lipsticks, when they dry, they get darker. I noticed that the old formula doesn't go darker as much as the new formula.